In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows 11 Start menu not working. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. Method 1. Windows Explorer. Press and hold Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Click in Search and type Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. After doing so, click on Start icon to check whether it's working or not. Method 2. Re-register Start menu. Press and hold Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key on your keyboard. Click on Run New Task. Type PowerShell and make sure to check this box. Click OK. Copy-paste the command in here. I have mentioned the command in the description. Now press Enter and wait until it completes. Press and hold Alt key on your keyboard and press F4. Click on it, select Restart, and click OK. So that's how you can fix Windows 11 Start menu not working. See you in the next video.